So let's make another program which is librarian, where we will check the books librarian have lent and they when if they have returned it. And so here we have class called book, we have variables like outlook, things like that, and then here we have to do another class called member, and then in member we have a variable called return, and then here we have to make a function. Of course we will inherit, so yeah, we just have type t and then return some values, and then after we will have to do another class which is called librarian. Yeah, after this, just step by step to return, and then after we have to make another class called librarian. So in this class we'll be having the name of librarian, and then we have a function called librarian where we will instantiate the variable name, and then after we will create another which will include both of the values, the member and then the box. And then here we have the example. Yeah, so and here we are just declaring the time, the message to say the when the librarian have received the book he or she have lent. And as you can see, the librarian name, and then is returned the book, and then we have to create the main class which called library test, and then the main function, and then after we will link both classes, and then after we will display. So let's try to run this program and see. So as you can see here, we have Mr. Smith is lending a texting book of Java to Alice, and then after, as you can see, after some time Smith librarian is receiving returning the book, Alice is returning Java programming book. Yeah, thank you. Bye.